The Phantom X flaunts a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED FHD Plus display that offers a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and a 90 Hz refresh rate. It is the company's first phone to feature a curved edge display and an in-display fingerprint sensor. For snapping selfies, it has a 48 megapixel camera, plus 8 megapixel ultra-wide dual selfie camera setup. The back panel of the phone has a 50 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, with a 120-degree field of view, and a 13 megapixel portrait snapper with quad LED flash. The Helio G95 processor powers the Phantom X, which runs Android 11, with the company's HIOS layer on top. The handset offers users with 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The phone supports 33 watts rapid charging for its 4700 mAh battery. Liquid cooling technology, a USB-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone slot are among the other features. The Tecno Phantom X has landed in Nigeria at a price of 228,000 Nigerian Naira. It costs 49,999 Kenyan Shillings in Kenya. The company has a presence in other African countries, so it should be available in more regions soon. It comes in 2 different colors, Starry Night and Monet Summer. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will surely catch you in the next one. I love you.